Hey you, it's the IT guy here. Kind of an impromptu video today. I just had something I wanted to share with you. So last week I bid on rather a large job. And in the final negotiations, it turns out that Kubernetes and Docker were going to be a part of the job. So I was very honest with the client. I said, I've not done a lot of work with Dockers. I'm more from the virtualization world than the Docker container world. And I'm pretty inexperienced in Kubernetes, but I can be certified by Go Live. And he agreed to that immediately. And that's kind of what I wanted to talk about today. A lot of developers here will just straight up bullshit their way through bids and will claim to have skills and certifications that they don't really possess. And it does a disservice to the entire community. It really does. And it's a terrible thing. So today I am actually doing my certification in preparation for the job tomorrow. I should be done with that, well, hopefully in time to get some sleep. But I just wanted to share something with you. Before a few days ago, I knew nothing about Kubernetes, and I'm starting to get that aha moment. There's this learning curve that everyone has where you suck and you suck and you suck and you suck and you suck, and then you just start to get better, and then it's a glide slope from there. So I just wanted to show you something real quick. We're just going to spin up a pod, which is something I've just learned how to do, and I think it's pretty interesting. So we'll do nano, we'll call it new pod, I guess, new pod.yml. Okay, so this is a YAML, and YAML is, if you know JSON, you pretty much know YAML. The rules are a little bit different, but it's basically a structured markup language that is white space based, right? So we'll do this. We'll do API version first. It's the first thing we need. And API version for this one is going to be v1, and we're going to tell it what kind it is. So this is a pod, not a POS, a pod. Next top level thing is metadata. And metadata has a couple of kids. It has name and it has label. So we'll give it name and label. Okay, and the next major thing that we're going to need is going to be spec. And spec has a couple of children too. Spec has containers. And containers has a child of name and image. So name and image as a dictionary, right? So we're going to do, we'll just do a simple Redis. So we'll do Redis as the image and bollocks, and we'll do Redis as the name. Label is optional. So name, we're going to stick with the theme. We're going to call it Redis. Oh, actually, I don't think it likes the capital, so we'll just do Redis. Okay, looking good. Let's save it. And save that, and we'll drop out. And let's see if it works. So we'll do kube control, create, and with the F flag. And what did I call that? New pod. New pod.yaml. And this should create a new pod. Haha! So if we do kube control, can't tell you how excited I am about this. It's such a simple thing, but up until yesterday, I couldn't do it. So up until earlier today, I couldn't do it. So kube control get pods, and there's our Redis pod up and running. I'm going to go ahead and delete it. So we'll do kube control delete, deleting Redis. Errors. Oh. Okay, yeah, forgot. You can't just delete Redis. You have to do delete pod Redis. Haha! Hey, I'm super fucking jazzed about that. Anyway, I've been the IT guy. You've been whoever the fuck you are. Thanks for hanging out and having a giggle with me here in the Soma Batcave. I sincerely appreciate it. Have a good day.